Hi everyone. The following video is going to walk you through the steps of accessing your Office 365 account for the first time. In order to access your account, you have a few different options. If you click on your start screen, you'll see an icon that's already pinned there as a quick link that says Microsoft 365. If you don't see that, you can always click on Firefox. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Microsoft 365 icon, and it's going to bring me onto my login page. You'll also notice that in Mozilla Firefox there's a bookmark that says Office 365 Login that you can always click to access that. Or if those are not there and you're on a different computer outside of the school, the web address to get here is login.microsoftonline.com. So each of these three ways will take you to your sign-in. The first step of signing in is where it's going to ask you to put your email address. Your email address for Office 365 is going to be your first initial plus your last name at lynbrookschools.org. Just take note that this is not your lynbrook.k12.ny address. So I'm going to put in first initial last name at lynbrookschools.org and hit the next button. After you do this, you're going to be prompted to enter your password. Your password should have been sent to you, but if you need one created for you or you forgot yours and you need it reset, you can contact one of us. I'm going to go ahead and click the sign in button. If this is a computer that is only your computer, you're the only one that logs onto it, and you would like to save your password, you can do that. But if it's a computer that you are often sharing, I would recommend you not saving your password. Once you get to this screen, it's your welcome screen or the home screen for Office 365. If you're here, that means you have successfully signed into your account for the first time. In the next video, I will go over how to work with OneDrive or your cloud-based storage space. Your OneDrive account is the equivalent of your L Drive, and it's a place that you can use as a storage for files. And the nice feature about OneDrive is that you can access it anywhere that you have internet access.